He's blown away. He's like, what?
Like, what is this little tiny thing? It's kind of funny. It's like, why is everybody sniffing me? Ah! You changed your mind, Nigel? Oh, Nigel. You're so funny. Come on, Nigel! The sheep have been around the pigs before, so they're not... They've been with Emma. But Nigel's never... I don't know. It's just funny. I love how their ears bounce when they run. Oh, they're gonna duke it out. A pretty mellow sheep. She's just not gonna move. Boris will give up eventually. Nigel, you gonna follow the flock of sheep? I guess they're one of the flock now. I just decided to join the sheep herd. Oh, it's funny. They are so cute. See you later, guys.
Now the sheep are scared of them.
Yeah, they don't understand why the pigs are chasing them. Where is he? There he is. There he is. I've been training the pigs to come to their name when I feed them, so that when we let them out like this. Nigel! Oh, I lost him. He's in there somewhere. I can hear him. Nigel! There he is. Nigel!
Come here, bud.
Nigel! Nigel! There he goes. Come here, cutie! Good job, buddy. Come here, Nigel. Oh, good job. Good job. You're so cute. Oh, the kitties don't like them very much right now. They just don't know what to think, huh? You're so cute, though. Good job.